Hey, hi everyone. I'm Yash Pratap Singh and doing this video for Prep Zone. I hope you are doing well and keeping safe in times of COVID-19. We are already into lockdown 3.0 with more than 6 weeks inside our houses. Last Saturday, which is the Saturday that just went by, we did an hour-long Zoom call with the mentees of the Prep Zone second batch. We discussed a lot of things. How are they coping up with the lockdown? What are they up to? What are they reading? What are they watching? How anxious are they about the B school results? And many more things. What are their plans before joining the B schools? How do they foresee the situation unfolding? And we plan to do such Zoom calls every Saturday to keep ourselves connected and to discuss many important things that come our way, at least till the time this lockdown is imposed on us. Well, coming why I'm doing this video. A small video is for the people who missed the Zoom call. It is the gist of the agenda that we had for the Zoom calls. So one of the fundamental pillars for Prep Zone is that we intend to build a long-lasting community. A community of aspirational, ambitious individuals who are thinkers and doers. The maiden batch that was trained last year is very well connected. They are in two different B schools, and the network has been timed and again tapped for various users and helping each other out. This is the intention we have for every batch that becomes a part of Prep Zone, that it becomes a long-lasting network which you can tap in times of need and in times of reskilling, in times of learning, in times of discussing various things. The last Zoom call that we had was not just a one-way exchange. It was a dual exchange where a lot of mentees did the talking and the mentors also did the talking, and we got to learn from each other. We aspire to create such dual two-way street communities with each batch and nurture that community. The central message behind the Zoom call was also that the mentors are always reachable. You are going to enter into B schools in uncertain times, perhaps not just uncertain, complex times of a global pandemic. And you can always reach out to mentors in case you want to talk out anything or you need any guidance about how to cope up or navigate this crisis or just how to navigate B school journey because things are complex there. Culminating the Zoom call yesterday, we also, decided on the agendas for further Zoom calls that we are going to have every Saturday. Just for an example, the Zoom call for the next Saturday, two of the mentees have taken up the initiatives to take us through a session on one of the skills that they possess. And that's the idea behind it, to make some productive use of this lockdown within the Prep Zone community where we can actually bank on each other's skills and learn something from each other and as well as keep in touch with each other. So that's the primary reason why we did the Zoom call this Saturday, and we will continue to do Zoom calls time and again with each one of you so that we are all connected and we all learn from each other. That's the central message from the Prep Zone team. Once again, keep safe, do well, enjoy, and best of luck for your results.